A world where armies move with precision, where police patrol as robots, and where the skies are filled with swarms of drones. This isn't a sci-fi movie. It's happening right now in China. From advanced robot dogs to flying drone carriers, China is building the largest unmanned force on Earth. In this video, we'll explore how this robotic revolution is reshaping security technology and the future itself. Stick around. You won't believe what's coming next. Advanced robot dogs. Mechanical canines equipped with cameras patrolling fields and city streets alike. This is reality in China today. At the IDEX 2025 Defense Expo, Chinese firms like Unitree Robotics amaze the world by showcasing robot dogs such as the Unitree Go 1 with mounted sensors. These agile machines can navigate rough terrain, carry surveillance gear, or assist in operations, making them invaluable in various tasks. Videos from the event show these bots exploring booths, their cameras shining under the lights, signaling China's readiness to share this technology. In mid-2024, US lawmakers called for a Pentagon report after Chinese media displayed one operating an automatic tool during drills, highlighting global interest. Unlike Western nations which debate the ethics of robotic systems, China is forging ahead. State media highlights that China is building the largest unmanned force on Earth, where drones and robot dogs could outnumber human operators. These machines are already integrated into exercises, coordinating with teams to provide reconnaissance and support in challenging environments. This isn't just about defense, it's about redefining operations. But China's ambitions don't stop at four-legged machines. They're also investing heavily in two-legged ones. Humanoid robots that are changing the face of labor and potentially assistance roles. Mass-produced humanoids. While the world discusses AI ethics, China is building factories full of humanoid robots, blending the line between human and machine. Shanghai-based Agabot has produced over 960 humanoid robots as of late 2024, aiming to surpass Western efforts like Tesla's Optimus, with a goal of 1,000 units by year-end. These robots are deployed in manufacturing, hospitals, and customer service, showcasing China's lead in motion control and applied AI. Videos from Agabot's facilities show human workers assembling robots alongside robotic arms, with some humanoids even shelving inventory. This mass production is transforming industries, but it also raises questions about job opportunities and economic impacts. Compared to global competitors like Boston Dynamics, China's strength lies in scale and deployment speed, though the US leads in chips and software. The potential for these robots extends beyond civilian use. With advancements in AI, they could serve in security or support roles, acting as assistants or coordinators. While currently focused on civilian tasks, their rapid development hints at future applications. While these humanoids are revolutionizing factories, their capabilities are expanding rapidly, raising questions about their future roles in society and security. Robotic companions. In the rugged mountains of China, a new kind of assistant is being trained, one that never tires, stays focused, and can carry tools just like its human counterparts. Unveiled at Airshow China 2024, China's robotic companions are four-legged drones weighing about 70 kilograms, capable of carrying cameras or surveillance gear. In a recent exercise with the PLA's 76th Group, Army CCTV footage showed these robots climbing hills, crossing rivers, and keeping pace with teams, even mounting ladders. They performed reconnaissance and coordination tasks alongside human operators and aerial drones, demonstrating seamless human-drone teamwork. Analysts suggest these ground robots could have a transformative impact as their tireless nature supports operations. During one drill, robotic companions navigated a simulated urban environment, relaying real-time data to coordinators, showcasing their versatility. This integration into regular training marks a new era of human-drone collaboration, creating a high-tech team that blends human and machine. What do you think is the most impressive or most surprising development in China's robot advancements? Let me know in the comments below. But China's robots aren't just for operations. They're also enhancing safety on city streets. Robo-cops on patrol. In Shenzhen, the future of policing has arrived. Humanoid police robots are moving alongside human officers straight out of a sci-fi movie. A viral video from early 2025 shows a 1.38 meters tall robot in a police vest cheerfully shaking hands with surprised pedestrians. Developed by Engine AI, this AI-powered cop model PM01 can respond to voice commands, greet the public, and even perform push-ups to show off its balance. City authorities see these robots as team enhancers capable of monitoring crowds, providing information, and boosting police presence without fatigue. While other countries have tested wheeled police robots, China's humanoid patrolmen are among the first to interact with the public in open streets. They're not here to replace human officers, but to assist them handling routine tasks while freeing up officers for more complex duties. It's a glimpse into a future where AI and policing are deeply intertwined, and China is leading the way. But if humanoid robots seem too human-like, wait until you see this rolling orb of a robot. The Rolling RTG. Meet the RTG, a spherical security robot that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi novel. Developed by Logon Tech, this ball-shaped droid can zoom alongside officers and even assist in pursuits by launching nets. A video of the RTG patrolling with Chengdu police went viral in late 2024, showing the robot rotating to scan its surroundings. Despite its futuristic design, it's not without flaws. Netizens joked about its slower pace and balance quirks. Still, it's equipped with AI for facial recognition and can reportedly deploy a mesh to assist with tasks. Critics argue it's more of a mobile camera than an action-oriented machine, but that's missing the point. The RTG symbolizes China's relentless push for innovation in everyday security. It may not be perfect yet, but it's a step toward a future where robots play an increasingly visible role in law enforcement. But China's robotic revolution isn't just on land, it's also exploring the depths of the sea. Underwater explorers. China's latest innovation has surfaced: autonomous exploration submarines, massive unmanned undersea vehicles that redefine traditional naval strategies. One striking photo shows an 11 to 12 meter long submersible believed to be the UUV-300, equipped to carry sensors, tools, or even communication devices. These next-gen machines are built for long-duration missions deep underwater, fully autonomous, highly efficient, and with no crew needed. While many Western navies have moved cautiously, debating the ethics of advanced undersea drones, China is moving forward, equipping its robotic submarines and turning them into silent explorers of the deep. Paired with China's rapidly expanding fleet of unmanned surface vessels and aerial drone swarms, these underwater platforms form a multi-layered robotic naval network. It's not just a fleet, it's a machine-driven maritime system designed to navigate waters with speed, efficiency, and precision. This marks a dramatic shift in exploration beneath the waves. While the world watches the skies and the land, China is building a robotic navy that operates where no one can see it, until it's ready to reveal its capabilities. Swarm of the future. Lights lit up the skies over Shenzhen in September 2024, but behind the beauty was a glimpse into the future of coordination. In a record-breaking display, over 10,000 drones flew in perfect synchronization, forming intricate patterns moving like a single living organism. To the public, it was a stunning show of aerial choreography. But beneath the spectacle lay something far more significant: a demonstration of real-world coordination capability. Coordinating such a vast number of units in real time requires extraordinary communication systems, and China has quietly built a high-tech 5G network capable of connecting up to 10,000 drones simultaneously, all with ultra-low latency. This wasn't just a celebration of technology, it was a showcase of capability. The same systems that created the show can be used to manage swarms of autonomous drones launched to support operations, enhance communication, or even perform coordinated tasks. Imagine dozens of scout drones feeding real-time data into a centralized AI system, giving operators an unmatched overview. The swarm behaves like a digital organism, adaptive, fast, and highly coordinated. Experts in the US and beyond are watching closely. Many have noted that China's advancements in drone swarm coordination could transform future operations. What looked like an art performance in Shenzhen was in many ways a field test in disguise, a signal that the nation mastering swarm coordination may one day lead the skies. And China isn't stopping there. While their drone legions dominate the air, their robotic vehicles and autonomous ground systems are reshaping operations on land, proof that China's robotic revolution is moving faster than the world ever expected. Vehicles without crews. At the Zhuhai Air Show in late 2024, state manufacturer Norinco unveiled the VT-5U, an unmanned light vehicle that operates without a crew. This 30-plus ton robotic platform is purpose-built for autonomy, equipped with advanced sensors and AI drivers. China is retrofitting traditional vehicles into giant ground drones, converting older models like the Type 59 into remote-controlled units. The VT-5U can coordinate with teams and drones, sharing data in real time. Is a response to modern challenges like drones and advanced tools, which have impacted crewed vehicles in recent scenarios. An unmanned vehicle can take on more tasks at the front line without requiring human operators, but it also raises questions about communications and coordination. Still, China's rapid development of these vehicles shows their determination to reinvent ground operations with AI and autonomy. As we near the end of this video, I want to hear from you. How do you think these robotic advancements will shape the future of security and technology? Share your thoughts in the comments. But if you think that's futuristic, wait until you see what's taking to the skies. The sky's new leader. Skies over future operations may soon be filled with machines, not just one or two drones, but entire swarms emerging from a single airborne giant. In May 2025, China took a bold step into the next era of technology by unveiling the Zhu-Tian, a massive flying drone carrier that's changing how the world sees air power. This high-altitude unmanned aircraft is essentially a robotic hub with an enormous 25-meter wingspan and a powerful 16-ton takeoff weight. But it's not just big, it's built to lead the skies. Concept visuals reveal a scene straight out of science fiction. The Zhu-Tian soaring silently at altitude, opening its bay doors to release waves of coordinated drones like a hive taking flight. Each smaller drone can serve a specific purpose: surveillance, communication, or even specialized tasks, moving in unison to support operations. One Zhu-Tian could launch hundreds of these in a single mission, operating in areas where traditional forces might hesitate to go. Despite its size making it more visible to radar, the sheer potential of the Zhu-Tian is undeniable. It marks a dramatic shift in China's strategy, one focused on speed, automation, and unmanned coordination. With systems like this, China isn't just upgrading its capabilities, it's redefining the rules of aerial operations. From land robots to maritime drones, and now these sky-commanding hubs, China's robotic force is expanding in every direction, signaling its clear intent to lead the global robot innovation race. Leading the future. China's rapid advances in robotics have sparked a global race for innovation, but so far no rival comes close to matching the scale, sophistication, and integration of China's expanding robot systems. While other nations are investing in autonomous technology, their progress often feels fragmented. The United States, for instance, has experimented with robotic dogs and mule-like machines designed for reconnaissance and gear transport. These projects, while impressive, have generally avoided full operational deployment, with officials cautious due to ethical and practical concerns. Russia has showcased a variety of unmanned ground vehicles, but many analysts agree these systems remain less advanced, struggling with navigation and coordination in real scenarios. Countries like South Korea and Israel are also making strides developing advanced robot assistance and AI platforms. However, none of them have matched China's system of systems approach, a tightly integrated strategy that combines AI communications, drone swarms, and networked robotics into a unified force. Chinese planners have openly stated that future operations will rely heavily on autonomous systems working alongside human teams, and those who fail to integrate robotic platforms. With every new development, from flying drone carriers to AI-coordinated swarms, China continues to push the limits of what autonomous systems can achieve. This acceleration has triggered what many are calling a new global race, not in traditional tools or vehicles, but in autonomy, artificial intelligence, and robotic innovation. And for now, China is leading that race, setting the pace and reshaping how the world prepares for the future. Which of these unmanned technologies did you find the most surprising? Do you think the rise of robotic forces is a good or dangerous trend? Let us know in the comments below. Like always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and leave us some love in the comments section. To keep up to date with all of our awesome videos, be sure to hit subscribe and turn your notifications on to never miss a thing. Until next time, do take good care of yourself.